Dell here. In wintertime, our relative humidity tends to go down, and if it dips too far down, your skin itches and furniture dries up and all kind of other things that are not good. So we've got this humidifier here. The magnitude of the mist, we've got 4 different gradations. It's we can use it on a timer. We can customize the relative humidity, and we've got a viewing glass in here. You can see the water level in, and as an extra, we got a light, a submersible light that we put down in there. The light's on, and you can see, you know when to fill it up with the light. And you can also customize the humidity. So it does a lot. There's a timer and a sleep timer, and it's got a lot of features. Basically, the way that it's being used under these circumstances is to bring up the humidity in the house, and we don't really use those extra features.
It's also a top loader, so you just add the water.
Oh yeah, for when you want to put in your water, you can just lift it up, and it has a, you can see it has a...
You don't have to do that either. You can just pour it right on the top.
Oh, I see.
Those vents on the top, you could pour
Oh,
it
I
straight
see. That's
through.
another thing. So I did it this way the first time and overloaded it, and it came out the seam. And I've been doing it like this, and just leave it there and pour a pitcher of water in. And now I'm finding out that I could just leave it like it is and pour the water in from the top. So there's 3 options. The one from the top is probably the best one, and then you can see what your water level is here. But if you go above that, you can maybe go up to here before it leaks. So, and depending upon what your magnitude of your mist is, then that's the quicker go. You put it on 4, and you're going to be filling up. I don't know, 4 times a day maybe. So we've got it down to 2. Are we down to 2 now?
I think it's off right now.
Okay, so it's on intermittent now, and then there's a customized humidity button that the last time I pressed it, it said 45. So I don't know what that means, if it's going to work to get to 45 or however that was. But before we had it at 61, and we had the mist on 4 on the highest magnitude, and it was all over the place, and the carpet area around the item was wet, and so it was working real good. Got a lot of humidity in here, but we just toned it down and refined it and put some fine touches on it. And so kind of a item that, especially in winter, that's needed. So in summer, it's just the opposite. You want to dehumidify in summer, but humidify. And then another thing about for your heating bill, humid air holds the heat better, so that might give you a little bit better of a heating bill. So there's that. I think it's a nice unit. And I'd like to take this opportunity to thank my 18,000 plus subscribers. It helps keep the channel growing, and I don't normally, like all the other video people that tell you to subscribe and ring the bell and stand on your head and everything. I don't require that of people, but we are thankful that for your viewership and subscriptions and so forth. So that's enough for that now. Later.